Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajialang jong kinong tre jong ki Rural Bank ki baran hapo ka Shatri jong ka All India Regional Rural Bank Employees Association. Kaladawa na ka sarkar pedeng bakadai ban itono ya baro ki Rural Bank ki baran hapo ka ri India baro ka wei kum ki National Bank. Kenang ban pensok bat ban yo shosho ya ka jingshania na ki pajba no kan chau pisa. U General Secretary jong ka All India Regional Rural Bank Employees Association USV Reddy ha ka jikran berkinong patai kubor ha ka khat artarik mentau nailar ahza ka khandai hadin balawai ka jingalang jong ka General Conference bala pelong da ka Meghalaya Rural Bank Officer Organization ulai to ba ka sunjuk kalada persngau ya kani syakitan dong skor jong ka sarkar India halor ka jingdawa mentala lai pos nam kanthi henry hadu mentana kalyang ka sarkar India kampat shim ya kanu kanu karai ha ka bedai ba kan ka jingdawa jong kani ka seng.
We want now these RRBs to be liberated, delinked from all sponsor banks. They should be made an autonomous All India structure, National Rural Bank, delinked from all sponsor banks. That National Rural Bank will be directly answerable to the Parliament of India. Since RRBs are constituted in Parliament, so there should not be any intermediaries of sponsor banks. Now, since 1976, this is 45th year of RRB's establishment, 45th year. We have given you the report. Now we have about 32 crore customers, rural customers. We are having 23,500 branches in the country, all over the country. And we have crossed a business, total business of about 7.5 lakh crores. This is comparable to any national banks. This RRB stands at 5th position after State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank. As a whole, total business, RRB stands at 5th position. This is not a small thing, working in rural areas with small people, doing so much business. So there's all committees established to study the performance of RRBs have highly applauded, have given in the report. They have appreciated the recommended strengthening of RRBs. We are also demanding for further support and extending banking service in the rural areas. But at the same time, we are very much concerned, our organization. A bill has been placed in Parliament providing for private share in RRBs also. So far they are 100% now government banks, public sector banks, RRBs. Now a Parliament has passed a bill providing for private share up to 49% in RRBs. All of us, our association is strongly opposing it because privatization of RRBs leads to dilution of its objectives. Rural banks were primarily established to help take the banking service to the rural nook and corner for a social purpose, for a social cause. They have been established for a social cause, for a social purpose. They are doing the service. Now if they are privatized, private share is coming to this. That will dilute the objectives. The private shareholder, the directors on the board will hamper the social banking of the RRBs. They want only profit-making business, only urban business, or commercial business. So that will go against the spirit of RRB Act, Regional Rural Bank Act 1976.